Setting off some shit with his bass. He just set off this guy's car alarm. Ready, guys? I don't know what song this is. Well, stay. What is this? Show it by a little whatever. Ready, guys? I'm gonna turn it up. Hold on. So we'll 15. Up. Starting to go off a little bit. We set off that guy's car alarm, and I think somebody's following us. I think. Yo, Alex, let's go. I think someone's following us. The guy in the blue truck. Set off any other car alarms. Okay, I think someone was following us. I'm not sure, but I think we're good now. I hope you liked that video. It's pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. See ya, guys. See ya. Hope you like this up a little bit.